The time has come to update your procurement process. The explosion of online purchases. Over the last decade, the market has become overfilled with new procurement process solutions. So, services are built to help you manage your business and all of its obstacles. As a result, businesses are consuming at a rampantly higher rate than before. But, this explosion has increased, resulting in an uptick in the sheer number of business purchases. The end user gains power. Spending has shifted from top down to bottom up, meaning purchasing or procurement process power is now distributed across a whole firm rather than in the hands of just a few. In short, your new purchasing department is no longer a centralized procurement team, it's all of your employees. It's someone on the marketing team who needs to buy giveaways for an event, or someone on the customer success team who needs project management software, or someone in HR who needs to buy a team. And this power switch has only accelerated during the pandemic, as remote work has become the new norm and every employee has had to purchase work from home equipment. Fashionable corporations have outgrown the age-old procurement process. Quite simply, the present buying techniques that many corporations depend on do not assist these rising business developments. Many of those age-old procurement techniques have an outdated strategy for approving and executing funds and, due to this fact, make it a battle to keep up with the calls for a contemporary, fast-paced enterprise. Long before the explosion of SaaS subscriptions, remote work, and freelance tradition, procurement-to-pay options had been developed. They offer management to just a few individuals and don't meet the needs of the agile, distributed groups that outline the brand new means of working. Actual time visibility. Managers want to have the ability to get a full breakdown of each aspect of the firm's spending at the click of a button. They want information that provides an organized, complete picture of firm spending without having to attend to month-end close. And your procurement team should spend less time frantically tracking down receipts at the end of the month or relying on best guess accounting to make sense of the numbers, and more time focusing on short and long-term strategies. Spend administration software is becoming more popular as an all-in-one solution for meeting these requirements. Distributed spend administration platforms, like TeamPay, can help sort out the setbacks of your conventional procurement options head-on by integrating seamlessly into your present techniques and processes without the assistance of IT or consultants. The spend administration software programmer guides staff through all the purchasing for the course from beginning to end, ensuring they adjust to firm coverage without coaching or expecting them to remember intricate and mundane purchasing insurance policies.
Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit and insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep confidentiality to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address, follow on our social media and also share on your social networks. Subscribe our channel.